watch this mess disappear. Just watch it. Y'all, this vacuum is amazing. This is the Viral Homika vacuum. I ordered a new vacuum because mine broke the last time I was cleaning the living room, and this one blows my other one out of the water. It works so well with dog hair, and as you can see, nothing fell out. No dirt, none of it. It vacuumed the dust off of this vent like it was nothing. I even did the baseboards with it. And it worked on my carpet, which is a huge plus, because when I want to do the carpet, I have to lug around the big vacuum, and I hate carrying that thing around. So the fact that this worked on my carpets is amazing, and it did a really great job. I did have to empty it a few times because the canister on it is smaller, which is completely okay, that's expected, but it did such a good job. I do have to say, the hair did get wrapped up in the roller quite a bit when I was vacuuming the carpet, but the roller's super easy to take out. You can just pop it right out and pull the hair out, pop it back in. I'll show it right here. It took me about 60 seconds to do. So you go get you one of these, girl. I'll link it in the orange shopping cart down below, and it comes in some super cute colors.